You may have an economy car or even a large diesel pickup truck come into your shop that needs a brand new clutch. You may be ordering parts for it, and you may see an option for a solid flywheel for that vehicle. Well, you need to be aware that some solid flywheels can cause damage to the vehicle. A dual mass flywheel is designed to absorb vibrations from the engine so they don't go into the transmission and parts of the driveline. Essentially, that dual mass flywheel has a spring inside and two plates, and that spring, well, it helps to absorb certain vibrations from the engine when the piston is traveling downwards on the power stroke. These can be very severe at times and may damage the transmission, the U-joint, and even the rear differential on the vehicle. On the engine side, well, if those vibrations aren't dampened, you may see some pattern failures on the vehicle. Like for instance, the front harmonic balancer could fail or even break off just because those power pulses aren't being dampened by the dual mass flywheel. But also keep in mind, if you only have to replace just the disc, it may be a good idea to replace also the flywheel because a dual mass flywheel is actually a wear item. That spring inside the dual mass flywheel, well, it wears out over time and fatigues and can no longer dampen the vibrations coming from the engine. So when it does come time to order that flywheel for the vehicle, make sure you're ordering the right flywheel for the vehicle and you're keeping a dual mass flywheel application with a dual mass flywheel for the replacement. This way you're going to ensure the vehicle will last a long time. If you use a solid flywheel, well, you could compromise the vehicle and eventually cause other failures down the road to the drivetrain and even the engine. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.